2018 Chevy Camaro. This is round 2. So I brought it earlier in the year. We did a rear muffler delete. What we did is something a little bit different. There's the 2 factory converters there and there. Then we put 2 high flow converters in the rear. There'll be a part number in the description. Then he's seen a couple of other videos that when we take the X pipes off, so he wants it to warble and be a lot louder. So we took the X pipe off and put 2 pipes in its place. And then earlier in the year we did 2 Dynamax race bullets there and there, and put some quad tips out the back to complete the beautiful look, as you can see there and there. So there's the whole new system, all changed, ready to go. We will let you guys hear it and see what you think. Sorry, you're louder. Back it up.
That is a nice Valentine. It's okay, it's hard to keep clean, ain't it? Yeah, I just watched it 2 days ago. My kids wrote the name.
Wow, that sounds so good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Camaro 2018 6.2 liter SS. We did rear high flows, X pipe, and Dynamax race bullets, and 5-inch tips. And now it sounds phenomenal. He's coming back. We're going to put long tube headers and high flow cats in the front. That's the next step. Yeah. That sounds so good. If you don't like this sound,